taxi in line, which is Richard Shuttleworth used his Desoutter quite extensively, very often for trips across the channel, bringing back various commodities, usually in bottles, for his friends and colleagues. Our Desoutter was retired from the air taxi business in 1935 and came to Old Warden. It was restored. During the war it was put in camouflage and flutter issue that we had very early on with it.
Busy boy, because he was in the repeat as well, wasn't he? Oh, right.
My apologies, it wasn't John Munn, it's Bob Morecambe, and coming in now in the DH60G.
Nicknamed Moth Bag. Wonderfully tight wing overs, loops. And the T21. Oh, so graceful. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. Delightful little aeroplane, the Piper Cub, first designed back in the early 1930s and went through various engine configurations. But